Let's get out really quick. Oh. We can pull this thing up here. And I have to keep going and looking, make sure my kayak is still there. Wow. This one is bigger than those other ones, guys. Way bigger. That's a huge trout, man. What a good idea it was to wade out here. Holy crap, guys. It's early, and I keep seeing a lot of little tiny blow-ups on bait and a lot of bait running around. So I'm just gonna throw this little 0-0 popper. And just see if anything's interested in it. Oh wow, didn't take long. First cast, it must be a trout. Wow, little snook. Oh, it is a trout. Beautiful looking trout. Relax, bro. Wow, that's a nice, maybe 18-inch trout to start the day. Before the sun's even up, guys. Heck yeah. Yeah, there's definitely fish cruising around in here, so keep having boils all around me. So I just one right behind me too. You know what? Let's just stand up. Oh yeah, there's something right there. I wasn't even planning on fishing this. Okay. Something bigger. Sort of fighting like a trout. What is it? Catfish? No way. Yeah. How? That was not feeding over there like a catfish. It's a big sail cat. Well, that's not what I wanted to catch. Let me know in the comments if you ever caught a sail cat or just a catfish in general on top water, because that's really weird. He might have just been super keyed in on some bait that was over here. I mean, I kept seeing little glass minnows and stuff like that everywhere, so he was probably really keyed in on those, and he just saw that as an opportunistic feed. So let's keep going. I'm gonna leave out the lip grippers in case we see something else. 2 fish already, and I don't even think it's 7 o'clock. I mean, one of them was a catfish, so yeah, it's 6:49 right now. We already got 2 fish. Oh, what's shallows here? we're just taking our time today. We're gonna be out here long time today. There's no reason to rush anything, so we'll get on the fish. We've already got on some. I picked out a few spots, and this was not one of them. I just, like I said, was seeing bait. Actually was seeing a lot of birds too, and typically that's a really good sign, so ended up lucky. So once we get out of here, we won't have to stay next to this channel. We'll be in some deeper water and we can get around a lot easier. But this is my first time ever coming here. We're in Placida, Florida. I spent some time in Charlotte County. I live in Lee County, but I've spent some time in this county before, not doing much fishing, but just, you know, friends that lived here and a girlfriend or two back in the day. So I'm sort of familiar with some of the area, but I've never been to Placida, let alone fished here. So this should be fun. I mean, we'll figure out what kind of fishery this is. Hopefully we can put a good day together. It's Saturday, what is it, the 12th? Something like that. Supposed to be some pretty strong winds, up to maybe 20 miles an hour. I don't think it's gonna get that bad. This guy's hauling through here, but I don't think it's gonna get that bad. Oh, he's pushing barely any wake, so we should be fine. We have just a really slow incoming tide all day, but there could be a jack or snook even hanging out on this wall feeding up against it, or looking to feed. So we'll take a couple casts. Oh, just had a strike at it. Oh yeah. Bigger again. Ooh. Oh, are you kidding me? It's another catfish. Oh, it just popped out. Cool. We're gonna move far away from here. Wow, we caught a grouper and we caught a gag. Wow, dude. Well, nice gag grouper, guys. Juvenile guy. Let's get him back in there. Whew, he was kicking off quick. Okay, let's jig. Let's get jiggy with it. I think I'm gonna take that top water off of there and jig something, but it's not gonna be weedless, so. Oh. So we'll tie this on and At least it'll have a little noise to it. That osprey up there is what you guys keep hearing. So he's just chilling. He's not bothering us. I think he's a little worried about us, or she probably. She's probably guarding the nest. One thing I don't like about kayak fishing is how wet your hands get. Because when you go to tie knots, especially like days when I'm tipping my line like this, gets a little annoying because knots will slip out of your fingers, or you know, you won't be able to cinch the line down too good. Like that knot doesn't look very good, but oh, it's another gag. I thought that was a lot bigger. I mean, I felt the weight of it, knew it wasn't a huge fish, but another little gag. This guy is a real tiny one. He's gonna be the runt. I wonder if he's gotten caught before. His cheek's all torn up. That's where the good meat's at, on one of them. Oh, lizard fish. No, it's not what we wanted. Well, he bit the tail off of that too, so we'll have to replace that one. Okay, what is this? Another lizard fish. Okay guys, so we're still fishing the trestle, but we just drifted up onto the flat that's directly next to it, and we're gonna try fishing that. Ooh, just got thumped. No, yes. Jeez. Just what I thought would be here. Big Mona of trouts. There's a nice, beautiful, I mean beautiful spotted sea trout. Nice long baby. So I'm gonna put her back in. She's looking right at me. It's a beautiful fish. Put her back in there. Oh, no need to revive her or nothing. She was actually really calm while I was holding her. I was just waiting for her to jump. And all we caught that fish on was just the 4-inch paddle tail. This is the mulligan from Salt Strong. I think it blends in pretty good out here in the on the flats. I can't believe that fish bit on that 30-pound bite tippet that we're using, and that's mono. Cool. Let's get after another one. Let's get out really quick. Oh, shin deep. But we can pull this thing up here. And this is just hard sand. Yeah, it's much easier to sneak up on them walking like this. Nice.
My keys on the kitchen table. Phone still buzzing in the dark. All our plans on a torn up paper. I'm already in the car. Windows down, hair and tangled halos. Laughing at the headlines. Every goodbye on the radio sounds better when it's mine.
Wow. This one is bigger than those other ones, guys. Way bigger. That's a huge trout, man. That's a huge one. Wow. What a good idea it was to wade out here. Holy crap, guys. I mean, that one's big. That's a big female for sure. Let's get her back in. Oh, she's ready to go already. Give me my finger back. Finger's stuck in the gill plate. Oh. Awesome. That's awesome. Wow. Right in that patch. That was right in that patch of grass over there. That was really cool. Oh, another gag. Wow. We have caught what, 3 or 4 of these guys today? I'm not sure. Yeah, every time they hit, man, it's like a freight train. I should have known as soon as I felt that it was one of these. See ya. Maybe I imagined it. I thought I heard a porpoise behind us. I was gonna be like, man, are you... Every time we go somewhere. Oh, he's right next to me. Oh my gosh. If there was any fish over here, he probably either spooked him off or he might have got him. So, I don't know. There's a lot of people fishing this trestle now, so I'm thinking, because the tide's not high enough, I'm thinking we'll go to the backcountry area now, but I'm gonna make a couple casts here since we're already here. Okay, guys, we're cruising up to a spot, getting pretty close. I'm calling this spot the small pool. You might even be able to just barely make out the entrance of it. I don't really know how deep the water is going to be in there. I'm thinking it'll be around the foot, but tide's supposed to be relatively high here in by noon. I haven't had any real bad gusts yet. It's just been steadily windy as I've been heading here. That was awesome. That was awesome. I just pitched it right up underneath those mangroves and he was just hanging out right in there. Nice juvenile snook. See you, dude. For the love of fish, what we will do, need to watch out for. It's another healthy little guy. See ya. Oh, it looks like he got some cuts on the side of him or something. Okay guys, so that was pretty good. Quite surprising actually, how well we did. Like I said, never been to Placida, never been to that kayak launch, never even fished any of those areas coming from anywhere else on the boat or anything like that. So it was fun. I really enjoy getting out and doing the kayak thing. The kayak thing is just killer. It's like relaxing. You get a little workout in. Some people don't understand it because they're like, you have a boat, why do you do the kayak thing? Liking, subscribing, commenting, that helps a lot. That helps the rest of these videos get seen by more people. Helps this video get seen by more people. So smash the subscribe button if I am worthy. See you guys next time. Peace.